9,000 miles. So not that bad. This is a filter that we just took out of this thing, guys. Now let's get ready to drop in the new air filter. So now we are going to change the wipers, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just pop the tab wide open on the wipers and just slide the wipers down towards the windshield, and it should come right off. For the new one, it should just clip right on and slide right onto the wiper arm, just like the old one did. I was just trying to find the right orientation, and I did, and it slid right on. You should hear a little click. As a car technician, this is where every cabin filter should literally be. This is so easy, right by the windshield cowl. You have a little cover here that you just flip up. You flip the cover up, and you literally just pop the filter out. And that's how the old one looked. This is pretty filthy, kinda. So what we're gonna do is pop the new one in there. We should be good to go. All right, and then we just pop the new one in, and we're gonna be solid to go. There you have it. Go ahead, close everything back up. That's it, guys. That was easy. This is not like every other car where you gotta go underneath the glove box or search. Everything comes out 1, 2, 3. And the oil filter is right underneath, so, and this one is not that tight, so that's a good thing. So we could loosen the oil filter right up. Should be able to take it right down. Whoop, it's leaking a little bit. There you go. That's it, guys. Oil filter is right in that area. Brand new oil filter, ready to go right back up. Put a drain plug back in as well. So check this out, guys. These are the oil that we have, 0W40. And this is what we're gonna put inside the car as of right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour 7 quarts in and go from there. You guys should already know to reset the oil light, the car should be in the run position. And you hit the gas pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that should be it. Look guys, you can see my engine oil percent is at 100, so we are good to go. That's left to do, guys, is to road test this car real quick. I'm gonna go grab some plates and we're gonna go on the road real quick. Let me fly out this shit, nigga.
Oh, and it's wet. Fuck me. Got some dollars, man.
This shit is nice. You can just feel the power, bro.
V8 is a lot of power.
Yeah.
Our gas, right?
I gotta. Wow. I gotta put air in the tire too. Nah, it don't got no pedal shifter.
Yeah, it does.
It does? Oh my god. Oh.
This thing's so heavy, it's so hard to drive. And traction control still keeps coming on. I can feel traction control coming on. I can feel it.
Nah, bro. This shit got some serious power.
It's rainy, I don't want to fuck around with it.
I know, bro. If it was dry, bro. But this thing is definitely nice.
The tire pressure went up in the rear tire.
Yeah, it did.
It's 27, I think.
I gotta adjust them when I get back. I don't know what spec we gotta adjust them, but I wanted to drive it, bro.
You can drive. I'm trying to show you.
I bet. I drive it back. I bet.
I'm not gonna be a dickhead drop.
Bro was willing. Oh!
Traction control keeps coming on still. I don't know why. I don't know how they.
Let's go.
I don't know how to turn the traction control completely off.
Bro kicked out the rear. Nah.
Oh.
Oh my god. I wish we knew that before you did all that crazy shit. I guess you could adjust the power there. You could turn off the paddle shifter? No way. Sport. Paddle on. Guys, this thing is nice, man.
Traction control street. Traction. Sport track. See,
Watch out, Ralphie, watch out.
Like it throws me off, like when I'm when I'm trying to counter steer, and the ABS starts kicking on.
Kicking it on, yeah.
I don't. That's.
Shit is nice though. Be careful, Ralphie.